Hey guys, this is Michael. I'm gonna take you to a night tour at the Kyoto station. It's Christmas season, so decorations and illuminations are very beautiful. Anyway, let's go. I'm gonna start from the northern part of the Kyoto station. You'll be able to enjoy Christmas illuminations like this. Let me take you inside. We are gonna see a Christmas tree first. Isn't it beautiful at night? Let's keep going out. Why don't we stop by the park? I tried to take a photo, but it didn't go well. Anyway, I'm gonna take time lapse. Did you like it? Before going to Sky Walk, I'm gonna eat ramen. I choose this shop because I don't like lining up. It's very convenient, isn't it? I really enjoyed the noodle. Now I'm heading to Skywalk. One last thing, if you don't wanna feel miserable like me, don't come here alone. Bring someone with you. See you in my next video.